Okay, so on this job, as you can see, we've got a section of cornice missing. So, first of all, I was going to have a crack at running it myself, and then I just thought, it's just going to be too awkward and I'm going to be here too long. So what I did, I cut a piece out of there, right? Sent it to the shop, had them made it. Now, they can make it, but they've got to do it so thick, otherwise it's too weak to go up. So here's the piece that I made. I told them to get it as thin as they can, and as you can see, it's not always good because it cracked in the middle there, but that's alright. I'll get away with that because of these lengths that I need. So I'm going to put the first piece up here, there. I'm not going to bother doing a miter, I'm going to do it to the end. I'm going to level it with that, I'm going to draw a straight line there so it all sits up nicely, and then I'm going to mess about doing the angle after it's up because it's just going to be easier on a job like this. Okay, so I've marked where the joists are. I put these screws in there. I was going to put adhesive on the bottom of that and lift it up, but I think it's too heavy. Instead, I'm going to put the adhesive up there and then screw it up after it, and we'll see how we go. Okay, so we can see what I've done there. Just held that next piece up and drew around it. Alright, day 2. Put that piece up, put the other piece up, started filling in that arch. Okay, so there's that piece is up. That piece there was a bit of messing about because this wall is a bit out square, it goes that way a little bit. So I've had to just do a little bit of cutting around there, a little bit of fiddling about to make it fit. Because don't forget this new one will come totally square, and that's a totally square 45-degree miter. And that had a crack in it there, so I had to split the cornice, so just move it in a little bit. So just a little bit of messing about, but I've got it in. I want to get it patched up with cornice adhesive and get it all nice and straight. Them corners are going to look great. Like I say, our other options, what she was looking at, what she first got me around to quote on, was ripping the full ceiling down and redoing the whole cornice because of that. And I told her, no, you don't need to do that, let's just get one made and let's just patch it. Yeah, granted the ceiling is a little bit wavy here and there, and you've got a few cracks going through this cornice which I'm going to fix for her as well. But then, you know, the whole house is like that. It's a huge house. Every single one. Not the hallway, but everywhere else has got big cornices. And not they've all got little cracks in, they're all a little bit wavy, so it's just going to stay in character with the rest of the house. I thought if you did it new, it might look a little bit odd if you're only going to do one ceiling. Anyway, let's see how we go later. Okay, so let's have a look at the finished job. There's that piece of cornice that I put up. Painted this ceiling from and this ceiling rose. So, you know, I'd say not even at first glance you could tell it was repaired. You just couldn't. That dip in the ceiling there, that's where the whole ceiling comes down, so that can't be helped. But if you look at the rest of the ceilings around the house, they're all a bit, you can't really see, it's dark, but they're all like that anyway. They're all, you know, the house is 100 and odd years old probably. So I think that's a job well done. They're happy with it.